Hello everyone, if you want to know how you can create a Sora AI video account, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to register for Sora AI on your computer. So first of all, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Sora AI and then you're going to click onto this first link from openai.com and here you're going to click on to login and then you can see Sora AI needs our age. So you're going to put in your date of birth. And now it needs our username. So here you're going to put in your username. And once you put in your username, you will have created your Sora AI account. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. Now you can go ahead and generate any video you want. Like and comment on the video if the video helped you. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace.